Creating a YouTube channel is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Sign in or create a Google account. If you already have one, sign in. If not, you can easily create a Google account. Go to YouTube Studio. Once you have a Google account and are signed in, go to YouTube Studio. Create your channel. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button and select Upload Videos to start the channel creation process. Channel details. Enter the channel name and choose the visibility settings for your channel. Customize your channel. Add a channel icon, banner image, write a channel description, and set up links to your social media or website. Upload your first video. Click on the camera icon and select Upload Video to upload your first video to YouTube. Video details. Fill in the video title, description, tags, and thumbnail while your video is uploading. Video privacy. Choose the privacy settings for your video, public, private, or unlisted. Video visibility. Decide if you want your video to appear in YouTube search results, on your channel's feed, or both. Publish your video. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Publish button to make your video live on your channel. Congratulations! You have successfully created your YouTube channel and uploaded your first video.